Hello students, in this video we will discuss about multiplication theorem on probability. Multiplication theorem on probability depend upon the conditional probability. Since multiplication theorem on probability is stated as if E and F are two events of the same sample space S, then by the multiplication theorem on probability is given by P of E into P of F slash E equal to P of F into P of E slash F, where P of E not equal to 0 and P of F not equal to 0. Now, how to prove it? We will write the proof of this theorem. Since E and F are two events of same sample space, S. Therefore, by conditional probability, we can write P of E slash F. That means probability of event E when F have occurred will be equal to P of E intersection F whole upon P of F, where P of F not equal to 0. Now here, if we multiply P of F into the left side, then this will be P of F into P of E slash F will be equal to P of E intersection F. This is the equation first. Now again, if we find P of F slash E, that means probability of F when E have occurred, then this will be P of F intersection E whole upon P of E, where P of E not equal to 0. Therefore, if we multiply P of E in the left side, so this will be P of E into P of F slash E will be equal to P of F intersection E. This is the equation second. Since P of E intersection F and P of F intersection E both are equal, therefore, suppose this is the equation third. Since here you will see third equation shows that the arches of first and second are equal. Therefore, from 1, 2 and 3 gives us a result P of F into P of E slash F is equal to P of E into P of F slash E, and this will be also equal to P of E intersection F or P of F intersection E. Since both are equal, so we can write this P of E intersection F. You can write on the place of P of E intersection F, P of F intersection E also, where P of E not equal to 0 and P of F also not equal to 0. This is the result of this theorem. and this result is known as multiplication theorem on probability. Now in the next video we will take a numerical problem related to multiplication theorem of probability.